What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be talking about the text align. So no matter how much styling is applied to the text, the typeface, the size, the weight, the text will always appear on the left side of the container in which it resides. So to align the text, we can do the text align property. So what that is basically it'll align the text to the element that holds it, otherwise known as the parent. So in the example right here, we're setting the H1 to be completely to the right. So the text align property can be set to one of the following here. Left basically puts it on the left side of its parent element, which in this case is the browser. Center centers the text within the browser, and then right side aligns the text to the right side of the parent element. Justify spaces out the text to align with the left and right side of the parent element. So in style.css, set the property of the main H1 heading so that it appears in the center. So H1, and we'll do text align, and we'll set it to center right there, and then run it. There you go. That one's going to be centered right there. That is perfect in our case. And in the next video, we're going to be messing around with color and background color. But yeah, until then, have a great day and consider subscribing if you found this valuable, and see you guys in the next one.